How to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you're using WhatsApp on your Android device, then you can see the deleted messages on WhatsApp via the notification history. WhatsApp deleted messages sometimes appear in your phone's notification history. So if you have enabled the notification access, you can check the notification log to read all of the deleted messages. So to check for the notification log, what you can do is head over to settings in your device. Under settings, head down to notifications. Tap on notification history, and if you have turned on your WhatsApp notification, on the notification history you will find the WhatsApp. Scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. Now under WhatsApp you will find if there is any deleted messages here. So that was the first option. In case if you have not turned on the WhatsApp notifications, then you can also go to the WhatsApp chat backup restore feature. WhatsApp regularly backs up all of your chats to your Google Drive. So if the messages was deleted recently, you can uninstall the WhatsApp and reinstall it. After that, you could restore the chat backup. That will bring back the messages that were backed up before deletion. So for that, uninstall WhatsApp, reinstall it back, verify your phone number, then follow the on-screen instructions or the prompt to restore your chat history. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.